Now in the web UI of Maestro version 10.5, we have the Event Hooks tab under Admin here. Now, event hooks aren't necessarily a new capability, but we have renamed a lot of these things and changed the way it works for the web UI. So if you're familiar with the external scripts, that's now been called change events. If you were familiar with scheduled scripts, that's now called scheduled events. To turn on subnet monitoring in the web UI, you just click on the cog over here and we can go ahead and enable subnet monitoring and then configure everything that needs to be configured, like our mail server and where the mail will come from, any SNMP, community information, etc., etc. We'll go back into event hooks for now, and we'll talk about these change events. If I want to add a change event, I simply select what kind of object type I want and then specify the script that I would like to have run. Maybe it's called on-range changes PS1, it's PowerShell script, and we'll go ahead and add that and click save. And then the scheduled events. We already have a script name in here called cleanup.py, a Python script. You'll see I only have the options to edit and remove right now. If I were to go in and edit this and enable it, and then of course I've set a schedule for it to run on. If I want it to repeat, I'll click save. But now that it is enabled, I can actually go and run now. You'll see that new option in there now that it's enabled, and I can run this script anytime I want. And that's all I have for event hooks today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.